This is week 11, part 3, and covers slides 11, 12, and 13. So the first paragraph of your cover letter, which is worth 1 mark, people, it's where you, remember, it's the first thing that they're going to read that you've said, right? You're making an impression about them. You want them to have a positive first impression of you from that first paragraph. So you can click on this video link and hear a really awesome first paragraph from Mary Smith, who is an event planner and happened to grow up next door to the Cincinnati Zoo, and now she's applying for a job as an event planner at the Cincinnati Zoo. And she talks about that connection right in the very first paragraph. Most of us will not have that kind of a connection to the business or the job, so we won't be able to do that. So here are some other ways that you can show that you have targeted your cover letter to that specific business or organization, and you're demonstrating you're a good fit. So what I've done is I've said, and again, you're going to explain why you want to work for the company, which is a benefit to you, but it's also a benefit to the company. Don't say, I'd be eternally grateful to work here. That's nice, but they want to know what, it's a business. What can you bring to their company? So what I wrote is explain how your knowledge of their products will benefit your job. Maybe that you use their products or you have similar values. So that's where I'm saying go to the company's website, click the About link, and read their mission statement, values, and beliefs. And somewhere in there you might say, you know, they believe in the environment, they believe in a diverse and inclusive workforce. So find something that they believe in, that they value, and maybe it reflects one of your high fives or your values and beliefs, and you can mention that in that opening paragraph. So it shows there's a connection between you and the company. These are some other suggestions on how you can find information to find a fit, find a connection with the company. And if you're watching this video, this is a good time, I think, to pause and have a cup of coffee. That concludes video number 3. We'll continue with number 4 and talk about the middle and final paragraphs.